Hi, this is Miss Cindy. I hope everyone had a happy Easter. Sitting in front of you is a project that I was commissioned to do. The person wanted a poster board and they wanted this saying on the board. And the only requirement they asked is that it had gold and blue in it. So instead of doing a poster, I decided to do a gold and blue pour on a canvas and on a profile canvas. Profile meaning the frame is like an inch and a half, and I just painted it black. And then I bought some adhesive letters because I can't, there's no way I could have printed this because I'm not an artist. I couldn't print this where it was nice, come out as nice as this is. But anyway, the saying was so heavy that I really, really liked it. So I did the canvas, I did the pour, I sat here and put the letters on, I painted the border, and then I went ahead and resined it. And he is quite pleased. So before I was able to ship it to him, I had company for Easter, and they saw it. So I got commissioned to do another one, but only they want their background in black and white. And they have seen what I've done with the blow dryer. So they said they want that background. They want the blow dryer, the Dutch pour. So anyway, that's what I'm going to start today. You're not going to sit here and watch the whole process. And I'm going to tell you why. Because the letters took me 6 hours to do. They come on a sheet, so I had to cut each letter. I had to make sure I had enough of the correct letters. I had to line it up. So I will show you the process that I did that, but you're not going to sit here and watch me put all of these letters on. So anyway, that's going to be the mixed media project for today, and it should be quick. So let's go, and I'm already set up. I'm going to go ahead and do the pour, and then when it dries, I'll show you how I put the letters on. But once again, this is just another project that you can do instead of using poster board. And that's why I wanted this to be a little bit unique, because he wanted this on a poster board. He didn't realize what I was doing, and he was quite pleased with this. Anyway, the saying is heavy. Your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values, and your values become your destiny. Don't know where it came from, but this is something that he lives by, and he wanted a big poster in his living room, and I'm doing it. So let's get started. Okay, I'm all set up here. I have my Flotro on this canvas. Um, I have to be very careful because I'm using black letters, and I really haven't looked at the saying that this person wanted. Um, but I need to make sure this is not a dark pour. This really needs to be a light pour so that you can see the letters with your black. So I'm hoping I don't mess this up with being too dark. I'm just going to put little drops of black in here. Even though this is mixed with Flotro, it still is a thick paint. Okay, so I'm going to start with this. Okay, I am not finished. I'm gonna keep going, but I'll let you see. This is as far as I've come so far. I really want to take all of these out to the end. So I'll be back after I finish blow drying these. Okay, I'm finished for now. And I like the background. This is perfect. So the black letters should really stand out. So this is going to take about 2 days to dry. I don't know if you noticed what I did different with the blow dryer. Instead of just blowing out, if you start in the middle, you can actually turn that blow dryer to make it do what you want it to do, at least going the way. And that's what I did with this one. So I like the little curve in them. So anyway, we're going to let this dry, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how I'm going to mark my spots and tape the lines for the letters. I'll be back. Hi guys, I'm back and I need to apologize. I'm not only working on this one with letters, but I'm working on another one, and I'm doing them together at the same time, just alternating between the two. And because I'm moving, I forgot to record my system for the letters. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you that. These are the letters that I use. They come in a pack like this, and I get them from Amazon. This is a real nice quality vinyl letter. It's one of the best. I've done little things with the kids and had letters and stickers and whatnot, but this is a really nice quality. So I'm from the old school. So normally when we're doing a poster or something with words, I used to use a ruler with a pencil, a thin line, and then get my stuff lined up, and then I would have to go in and erase in between the letters. Well, this is acrylic pour. I don't want any lines on it at all. So what I use is my cheapest painter's tape. I don't need, just ignore this for now, I'll tell you what that's for. But my cheapest painter's tape, I mark the sides, get it straight, and then go ahead and put the letters on. These are such good quality letters that I don't push them down too much. I just get them in the spot that I want it, and then when it's centered the way I want it, then I go through and rub my hand across it so it sticks. And then I go ahead and pull off my painter's tape. Now, I have done this on the other one, and some of the letters may have been slightly crooked. Well, if you're careful, you can pull this vinyl off. It doesn't leave a mark on the painting, and then you can center it. So like I said, this is really quality letting that I just stumbled on Amazon. Now, the reason why this frog tape is here is because, as you can see, I forgot all about you guys, and I went ahead and started painting the frame, because the frame is going to be black. So to make sure I don't get any paint on the top of this, that's where I put my frog tape down, because that frog tape, I don't believe any paint is going to come through. So, and once again, I'm not pushing this down too much, just these ends, so I can comfortably paint the sides, and when I pull off the tape, nothing comes on the top. So again, I apologize. I'm moving. I'm almost finished with this. Actually, the other one is finished, except for I have to resin them, and I'm going to resin them both at the same time. So when I come back, I should actually be finished, and I'll show you the end product. Okay, guys, this is finished. It's been resined. Came out pretty good. I'm happy with it, and I hope the person that I made it for is happy with it. Once again, when you use that resin, it's just gorgeous. It just really highlights the picture. So anyway, I said I was working on 2. The other one that I did, I will put in a screenshot. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you get a chance, please subscribe. And if you like the content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I also welcome positive comments. Thank you.